colleagues and partners, good morning.
Thank you so much, Dr. Uma.
At the heart of everything we do. Support for African vaccine manufacturing to date. And I'm glad funding to address the updated priorities determined in our partnership with
Africa has articulated a bold. Our continent has a competitive global hub for the.
For far too long, Africa has remained at the periphery of the global health economy, largely as a net consumer of health commodities produced elsewhere. This has come at a significant cost to our national budgets, the stability of our health systems, and the resilience of our people. This is why we must act with deliberate speed. Local manufacturing of health products is no longer a goal we can postpone. It is an urgent priority. It sits at the heart of Africa's health security and sovereignty agenda. Across many of our countries, nearly 60% of health expenditure is paid out of pocket by citizens. Millions are forced to obtain essential medicines through informal markets, where the risk of substandard or falsified products is very high. We must address this challenge to both protect our people and to reduce the economic leakage that weakens trust and undermines formal pharmaceutical markets.